Homework will decide on a group classroom last night. We had 3 questions on restaurant numbers. Checked it this morning. You'll notice I did leave some comments about how we setting different things up. So definitely make sure you're watching it. It's a plug over there. All right, number 1, it said Carmen is 5 and 1/4 years younger than Antoine. Katie is 11 and 1/2 years older than Carmen. To the nearest year, what is the difference in Antoine's age and Katie's age? We had a problem like this yesterday in class. We made a sum that started with it, yeah. Did anybody make a model last night for homework? You should have, because it was determined if your answer was correct or incorrect. So notice we had the same answer choices, but it was telling us who was older and who young. So we could have did a short model. What 3 people we talking about? All right, what do we know? So Carmen will be at the bottom. They said the distance between her and Antoine is 5 and 1/4 years. What else we know? Older than who? All right, so all of this, Katie and Carmen would be 11 and 1/2. So that means we're looking for this piece right here. What operation are we going to do? It is subtracting. However, most of you set that problem up correctly. You gave me 1 and 1/4, take away 11 and 1/2. But I know if we're doing subtraction, I take the sign of a larger number, so your 6 down here would have been a -6. Watch how you set it up. So what should be in the front? What's your largest number? What's your largest number? So that means 11 and 1/2 is in the front. I'm showing us how you saw that first in the problem, so you put it first as your expression. You gotta read and watch for stuff like this. So that would have been 11 and 1/2, take away 5 and 1/4. What do we need to do? I know for subtraction. Nobody did homework in here? I gotta call your names out because quite a few of you did the homework. What we doing? Convert to whole number, so you did like an estimate. All right, talk to us, Sage. Okay. 1 to 12, okay. Okay. So you eliminate 17, so then there's a portion of B and C.
Good afternoon, staff. Good morning. Good morning. Ms. Stewart has been moving really fast. I need to stop what you're doing at this moment. All teachers in the classroom, I sure hate to interrupt any progress monitoring in any classroom teaching. But I need for you to stop what you're doing right now and listen to this message. An email was shared with you, I know, over a week ago, for sure. I think it was sent on September the 8th, and then it was forwarded to you again twice in your email concerning the professional development that was held on September the 3rd survey. I need all staff members to complete this survey ASAP. Stop what you're doing, log into your email and complete this survey. We only have 11 teachers that completed it. Thank you to that awesome 11 that went ahead and met that expectation. But I have 36 certified teachers. That is every teacher that holds an MBE license needs to complete this survey right now at this time. Thank you for your awesomeness. Let's get this done. Appreciate it.
Okay, so which one you went with, B or C? Went with C. And then if you did a chart, you would have saw who was older, who was younger. So definitely make sure you do that. A lot of you chose B. So that's why I say if you need to make you a model, do a model. Some of you left it as a fraction, you don't want to talk to it. But it would have been a common denominator of 4. A half with 4 as the denominator is 2 fourths. And then take away 5 and a 4. 2 minus 1. And then 11 minus 5. So you still should have ended up 6 and a 4. You could have estimated that Sage did, which still help you out. Make sure you read those answer choices, especially when they give you the same answer, but it's worded different. So one said Antoine was older than Katie, and then the other one said he was younger than Katie. So make sure you read it carefully. Question? Yes, no, method? All right, number two. Number two had 2 parts to it. Once again, make sure you are reading carefully. It said a scientist measures the change in the temperature of a chemical solution. At the start of the experiment, the solution is a temperature of negative 14.96 degrees Celsius. The temperature decreases 2.9 degrees Celsius each hour. Part A. Did part A ask me for an answer? No. What did it ask us for? Write an expression. A lot of you missing part A because you're not following directions. I don't want to know what you're doing. I don't want to answer. We want an expression. Somebody give us an expression. Negative 14.96. Good job, because that's what we started with. Why you say minus? Good job. Times 3. You can put times 3 in parentheses beside the 2.9. That lets us know. You could have wrote it. You could have wrote both of them in parentheses. But it definitely has to be a negative. And that's all we need on part A. Then part B asked us what's the temperature after 3 hours. So now they want us to solve it. And notice this step right here says show your work. That means every step you take, we need to see. So what would be our first step? Multiplying what? 2.9 times 3. Math class, you already knew you needed it. You ain't doing it already. You already knew you needed it. Math class, you already knew you needed it. So that means if you didn't grab it when you came in here and you're not doing it already, go and grab it. You said it's what, 8.7? So now we got negative 14.96, so we're going to take away that 8.7. So then, when we're doing adding and subtracting, some of you still lining up, going up and down, you got all kinds of signs, and you're doing a wrong operation. At this point forward, your math problem is going to be looking like this. From this point, 8th grade, high school, college, that's why I tell you, get in the habit of lining your stuff up horizontally, not vertical. Y'all lining up vertically and it's looking like this. You don't know what operations you're doing. But whatever you're doing, you're getting an incorrect answer. So that's why I tell you to watch how you are setting it up. So then if you look at it, I told us before you start adding or subtracting, ask yourself one question. And what is that one question? Somebody say it real low. Before I even start trying to add or subtract, I need to ask myself, do they have the same sign or different sign? That's another reason some of you are going astray. You're looking at the sign in the middle and then it's giving you an incorrect answer. So you have to ask yourself that question. Are they the same or the different? That's the sign in the middle. Do not tell me subtraction. That tell me I got a negative 14 and a negative 8. So get in the habit of asking yourself that. Same or different? What the same tell us to do? Add and keep the sign. So when I start adding, I'm going to ignore all the signs up there until I get to the end. 14.96 and 8.7, what you got? 23.66, and then I'm going to go back and keep my sign, which is going to be what? Negative. A lot of you had a 6. Telling me that you did 14 minus 8. So that's why I'm telling you, watch how you setting it up. Ask yourself, do you have the same signs or different? That lets you know if you are adding and subtracting, not the number in the middle, or not the sign in the middle. The second part that said estimate to show that it is reasonable. Anybody estimate? 6 gonna tell that 3 to go up. Negative 24. Questions? Yes, no, maybe? Everybody got what you need. And remember, every step you take, we need to see it. I don't care about your long expression with 3 numbers. Break that apart. All right, Annalise Amelia is scuba diving at a position 24.25 feet below sea level. She descends 0.5 foot each minute for 25 minutes. What is Amelia's position compared to sea level after 25 minutes? Talk to me. Negative, what told you negative? Below. A lot of you see her just picking out numbers and doing crazy stuff. All right, what else? Good job, it said descend, so we know that's takeaway or negative 0.5 times 25. It says show how it works, so that means every step we take, what's the first step? 0.5 times 25? So now we got 24.25, when that 24 was negative, you said. So then that's another step. A lot of us did that and want to tell me 12 because we're not asking ourselves that question if we have the same signs or different. Are they the same or are they different? Same tell us to do what? Add and keep the sign. So if you add that together, what do we get? The answer had to be negative. Is a negative 36 the same as 36? No, they're different. So make sure your answer let us know that she is negative or down below. Hello? Coach R. You up? Questions about? Watch setup. Get in the habit of writing you an expression before you begin to solve. I told you a rule of thumb. Every time you tap in that calculator, you need to be writing that step as you go. That way, if you make a mistake, we need to say this is the part that you are getting correct. Questions? All right, you can close your phones. Take back out that bell work with a piece of paper. If you're doing some homework, or you may want to put it in your backpack somewhere. If you don't already, go ahead and knock that on out. Please. You have your math notebook that you got your notes in it, you got your bell work on it. Everybody on this side, come just in, face the person that's right there with you. Make sure all the math are up. I'm doing my folks over here, so I got 2, 3 still. You slide over, Rosa, you slide in, huh? You come back there. Tonight, go back there with Layla. You come right here. Back there, back now. You gotta take it back. Your calculator, take the word. Notebook. All right, so then you're gonna be looking at more rational problems with these people that you are with. Listening, if you use vocabulary, if you pay attention to keywords, those small details, and also if you can write expressions and set the problems up and things of that nature. I will be using my timer just to make sure we are staying on task. You definitely need to brush up on learning your rules. I'm gonna give you about 4 minutes. Read it. You got a person in front of you, have a conversation about it, see if we can write it up, set it up, and answer it. Reread to make sure we answer the question. No, you don't have to write the question. You just need your work on information. I got 2, 3 people with you now. Have a conversation with each other. It looks like that person's stuck. Ask them what they thinking. Share a little bit of a little bit needed. How you thinking? How she thinking? We on the right track? Reread and look at the keywords. What that mean? You going to somebody practice on? Is that money going to you? All right, so some of us got we had some conversations going on, some of us Justin, he earned some money, he bought some stuff, they wanna know what his bank account for real. Somebody talk to us. Okay. Yeah, 37.85, and that's all. Okay. Yeah, okay. And then we had purchase gas for 23.700. Positive, negative. together and subtract. You get 3.52. That ain't adding all that together, that's just for your addition. 63 point what? 62, okay. And then you should have did this separate. Okay. 0.6, okay, gotcha. You sure that's negative? 46? So now that looks like what we used to do. Big number take away little number, $21.40. Who else came up with $21.46? All right, have we answered this question? No. What did the question ask us? Was it correct? So that would be our first statement. This balance is not correct. It then said if not, find the correct balance. We would then say the correct balance is what? Good job. So that goes back to making sure that you answer those questions as well. Reread and answer and give them exactly what they're looking for. Questions about it? Any questions? So definitely make sure you read to the fact that it's positive and negative. Group them together. I love some of you doing your groupings, which works good. I give you about 4 or 5 minutes. Don't matter where you start, you and your person, you decide. What's the calculator now? Number 5. That's why second grade have basic full function. Basic full function. Basic full function. That's what second grade have full function. Yes, we saw that. So if you don't talk to me, you got permission, and you ain't talking to the person that's right there with you. I don't even hear you telling your mama that you need help in math class. If I ask 100 times, if we got any questions, y'all sit here in silence, some of you still silent. Ain't talking to the person with you yet. Joseph, you and Kanaja, pick out one to us about. Layla, you and Kanaja, pick out one, tell us about it. Talk to me. You said D? B, talk to me. Good job, that is correct. Remember zeros at the end, I can leave it at the end or I can get rid of it. That's still the same value. Later, you and Mariah, give us one. So there you and Amani. See, talk to us. Carter, you and Demir, talk to us. Come on, say your group.
We're gonna do 8.
8, talk to us.
Okay, so I converted -3 and 3/4 to a decimal, and I got -3.75.
Okay.
And then I added 1, and it gave me 4.75.
Check that because they got different signs. What you do with different signs? Keep say that answer to us, but go ahead with the other side. Change that 2/3 to a decimal too.
Yeah.
Now I say watch that one because what kind of decimal did you get?
Repeat.
Repeated. So watch when you write that as a repeated. What happened with a negative? Good job. Remember, subtraction is the same as adding the opposite. So you may want to get in the habit of rewriting it and adding the opposite so you can clearly see. Got true or false, Sage? False will be correct. And if you rewrote that second one as adding the opposite, you would have had -3 and 2/3 plus 1, showing you that, hey, the fraction part is incorrect. So it still would be correct there. All right, we got C and D. Come on, who is that? Kanaji, Aaliyah. That's a miracle. That's a miracle. It's one of the days. Talk to us. You working? The car, the mirror. It's your mouth. It's your mouth. Oh, I guess you the lane patrol.
I mean, I'm gonna go back to my phone.
Oh, okay, then she didn't say nothing. She know who it is. C and D, we waiting on you, 7, 6, 8 groups in here. No, I don't know right or wrong.
I want to explain with the information.
Oh, what you just say? So what? What are we doing, same time? And keep the sign. So if I add 12 and 9, am I gonna be 3? That's false. See, really didn't even have nothing to do to it. Recognize that they got the same size, tell us to add. So that's telling me my answer already gonna be negative, because both of them are negative. And then 12 and 3, 12 and 9, that's gonna give me 3. C. Well, you know, put that negative in the middle. Now, 8 had a negative. What happened to it? So, you all got to get in the habit. When you see negative, you need to rewrite it with a positive. So that is 6 and 2 fifths plus 7 and 1/10. Get in the habit of it. You see it in the middle, go ahead and rewrite it. Now what can we do with that problem? Six and 2 fifths plus 7 and 1/10. What can we do? 2. We said change the denominator. What we change it to? 10. 5 times what is 10? 2 times 2. So we got 6 and 4/10 plus 7 and 1/10. What do we get? 13 and 5/10 will simplify to a half, so that will be true. Most of this just based on if you know your rule. They had same signs that they add and keep the signs, things of that nature. Watch for these signs in the middle, rewrite them. You still not rewrite when you get those signs, you might get wrong answers. And y'all do that with your homework. You be putting in all kinds of funny stuff. Questions? You got 3 minutes. You ain't gotta check that work. They know that they multiplication is correct. You ain't gotta check that. Read deeper into what it's asking you. I done gave you two different people that want to know whose estimate is more accurate. Talk to us. I ain't asked you that. I said who is more accurate. Why you say Kyle is more accurate? That ain't telling me nothing. Why you say Kyle? Somebody over here say Kyle.
Can I go? I said one. No, Kyle. No, wait.
I'm still waiting on the folks who said Kyle. Y'all know me. What's your rationale? They said explain how you know. Why you saying Kyle more accurate?
One, because 14 times. I mean 14.62 times 3 equals 43.80.
Hold that thought. You said 14.62 times 3 is what?
43.80.
Talk to me.
And then one says 43.5, and you add a 0 is 43.6. Well, 0 is a typo, but
All right, now notice the estimate was before this, right?
well, I think that one.
One got a U. But I know what you mean. So Sage gonna take Joan because she said it's closer to the correct amount. I'm still waiting on the folks who said Kyle.
I had thought it said JUA.
You all right, you all right. I'm still waiting on the folks who said John. Kyle.
I just know because that is the estimated. So it's the estimated of the
Good job. They said each student estimated, he recognized that Kyle estimated up and John estimated what? So that's why that part was there in the beginning, so that you can kind of guess and check. It would have been Kyle. Kyle estimated up, John went down. Then C's gonna tell me to either go up, she should have been 14.6 or whatever. Your mind, you ain't listening. That you. Now me on the other hand, I really wouldn't prefer who you said as long as you gave me an explanation. But correct answer would be Kyle because he added up or rounded up and John however rounded down. It wasn't where I solve it and then I determine who was correct or incorrect. You do your estimating and choosing before you figure out the actual. Questions? Took y'all that long on that? Questions about it? Didn't happen to make sure you're ready to set up these rounds for your math so that y'all too close to focus. Make sure you're able to reread, check that on the positive, negative, and everything else. Fix my head.